Mining giants just spent $60 billion buying copper and gold assets, and retail investors are still looking in the wrong place. Copper and gold M&A is at its highest level in nearly a decade. But it's not the mega deals that matter most next. When majors like Anglo American, BHP, and Newmont start consolidating, history shows something important happens. Capital starts hunting junior miners with scalable assets, clean jurisdictions, and drill results that de-risk future supply. And that's why 2025 could be the year undervalued juniors get re-rated before they're acquired. Read the full data-back breakdown on valuethemarkets.com before the market moves. And be sure to sign up for our free Investing Intel newsletter for even more valuable insights. Because once $60 billion is already spent, the next opportunity is usually hiding in plain sight.